Hello everybody, welcome to the weekend review for Module 3 for BUS 222 Managerial Accounting. Alright, just doing a quick check-in with you. I think it's kind of from a course maintenance kind of perspective, I think we're okay. There's only like one or two of you that still have some problems with the Connect website. Looks like many of you are going in there, you're able to complete those homework assignments that are in there. Remember, you can take them as many times as you like, unlimited attempts. They should be relatively easy to do, knowing that you have those kind of parameters in there. So all of you should and are pretty much getting high 90s on those assignments and getting pretty much the full points for those. So I think we're okay with the Connect. I know there was a couple issues at the very beginning in week 1 with some of you not getting your Connect card to get in. If you still do not have your Connect access card and you can't get into that website to do those homework assignments, please text me this week and we will have to figure something else out, maybe some sort of alternative type assignment for you to do. But I think right now everybody is pretty much set from what I can see on my end, maybe with just one exception. All right, so I am looking as far as this week. Oh, also in regards to the homework, I apologize. I just put in the homework 4 and 5 in there this morning. So homework 4 and 5 is able for you to go in there and do. Should be a little lighter. I did kind of compensate for my getting it up late. Stomach flu has hit our family and I was wiped out for a couple of days, but then once it passes, then you just feel fine. But during that time, it kind of laid me out. And now it's gone through the entire family. So I do apologize for that. But I do have those homework assignments in there. They're a little bit lighter than the previous weeks, more of your multiple choice type questions. So hopefully you find that, I guess, maybe a little bit more manageable. And I've given you until Module 4, I think it's on Tuesday, to complete those. So I have extended the due dates on the homework because of me getting it up late. So I do apologize for that. Okay, so modules, the homeworks 4 and 5 are up. And then also just kind of glancing ahead, next week we only have one chapter, so you get a little bit of a rest there, I guess, or kind of catch your breath a little bit. There's been some questions in regards to late work. I do accept late work. Just basically, as long as we're all adults here, and the function is my goal is for the function of this class is for us to meet the learning objectives. And as long as we do, I'm pretty flexible on how we get there. There are some limitations as far as I can't really accept work beyond the closure of the course because I have to have final grades due. But as long as the students are communicating with me, I'm more than happy to accept late work. Now, with that being said, there will be a small deduction on points to be fair to all of those folks who got it in on time. But what I would say, rather than taking a 0 on an assignment, even if you got, let's say with the homeworks are, and I know many of you had some problems in the first week, so we're not the first week or two with Connect cards, so don't worry about this. But I'm just using this as an example. But the homeworks are 30 points. But let's say you didn't do a homework, and you say, just forget it. I'm not going to do that. It's been too long. He's not going to accept it. Well, I'll take it, but you won't get the 30 points, but you might get 15. But I tell you, every time when I do final grades, there's always that 1 or 2 students who, if they just handed something in, and even if I only gave them half credit for the assignment, would have pushed them up another letter grade. So my word to you is take every point that you got, because you never know. I mean, you could be right on the edge between a B and an A, or a C and a B, or even worse, a D or a C. And that's really where you want the points. You don't want to have a D and have to repeat the course. So but everybody's doing really well right now, so I don't think everybody's going to have a D in the course. So, but do know that I do accept late work. As long as you communicate with me, let me know when it's coming in, that it is coming in, and again, I'll be happy to grade that with a small deduction on points. So let's see, Module 3, that pretty much covers it for Module 3. It is pretty much the standard standard template that we've been doing with the videos, with the you have the study guides, and the homework assignments. No, as far as grading too, I should be all caught up on grading by sometime tonight. Today is Wednesday. Right now it's around 5:07. Looking at my clock, 5:07, yes. So sometime this evening I should be all caught up on everybody's grading. Right now I think I have half of you already all caught up, but if you look at it and you go, Chris, where's my stuff on my grade book? It means I haven't gotten to you yet. So just give me a few more hours, and by the end of this evening I should have that all caught up. If you do have any questions about your grades, please feel free to contact me. All right, well, that covers everything for this week for the week in review. I hope everybody had a wonderful Easter holiday and had some time to relax a little bit with your family. But here we are back to the grind again. So again, any questions, don't hesitate to text me. It's the best way to get a hold of me. Also, email works as well. I'm still trying to catch up on all my email from being pretty much laid out for the past couple of days. So do bear with me on the emails. If something really major has come up, just please do text me. And I still have a few more folks to respond to as well this evening on text, but don't hesitate to use that. That is the best way to get a hold of me. All right, well, that concludes the week in review for Module 3, and as always, thank you for watching.